Hello? Okay, this is a mini laser. DAJA DJ6 model. And today we are going to engrave this piece of wood. First, we place the wood at the center. Now we open the engraver app that you can download on Google Play Store for Android users only. Then we select the image that we want to engrave. These images are already saved in the phone. Next, we choose the black and white engraving mode. Then we connect to the machine via Bluetooth. Adjust the size of the image so that it would fit into the wood sample. Also, we adjust the laser power and laser speed of the machine, and we will use 50% power and 60% speed of the machine. Okay, then we tap Start. Please always wear eye protection when using laser machine. It would take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete this engraving. It's very slow since it's only a mini laser. So let's fast forward the video and see the final result. Well, the engraved image outcome is okay. It's clean, clear, and perfect for a mini laser. This laser machine is not suitable for mass production since it's very slow. It's better for personal use only. Bonus: you can use this mini laser to engrave words and images to your personal wooden craft that you created, like this one. Thank you.